Do you guys know which RV with value and quality look like? The Changan Traveler used the world's first extended range pickup truck chassis. Adopts double row cab structure and soft ceiling structure. The top lane has 4 layers. The outer ghost has anti-mosquito, anti-rain, thermal insulation, and sun insulation function. Wow, the cockpit is so comfortable with a 12.3-inch dual screen, 40-watt fast charging, comparable to a SUV. There is also 270 awning here for a greater range of motion in the event of rain or snow. And there is also 1+2 external compartment at the rear of the car for more expandability. If you guys want to import a traveler from my country to your country, please contact me.